Hey there, hi there, how's your pie there? Welcome to Cocktails at Nickel 9 Distillery, starring me, Beth. Nice to see you all again. So, this is called the Peachy Keen. We're doing our Northern Temple vodka. So first we're gonna get 2 to 3 slices of peaches. We're gonna muddle those bad boys up, make them nice and juicy. 1 ounce of our Northern Temple vodka. A little bit more apparently. We're gonna do 4 ounces of lemonade, ½ ounce of triple sec or orange liqueur. Get some ice, shake it all up. Then you're gonna fill your glass with ice as well. We're gonna top it off with a little bit of soda and then garnish it with a peach slice and a couple of blueberries. There you go. The Peachy Keen, right here at Nickel 9. Cheers. And cut.